Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to upscale low-quality videos using the AI video enhancers in CapCut and Edimakor. Let's start with CapCut. After importing your video, select the clip and open the video settings on the right. Scroll down and enable Enhance Quality. CapCut will automatically process the footage to improve its resolution and overall clarity. It's fast and easy because everything is handled with one click. However, you don't get much control over how the video is enhanced, and this feature requires a CapCut Pro membership. Now, let's look at Edimakor. Open Video Enhance, then choose the enhancement model that best matches your footage. You can use general restoration for everyday low-quality clips, quality repair for compressed or blurry footage, portrait restoration for close-up faces, or specialized options for old movies, low-light scenes, gameplay, and product videos. Edimakor also lets you adjust the output resolution and enhancement settings before processing, giving you more control over the final result. So, which one should you use? CapCut is a convenient choice when you just want a quick, one-click enhancement. But if you need different AI models, more customization, and tools designed for specific types of footage, Edimakor offers a more flexible workflow. Which video enhancer would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.